Picture this. You're driving down the highway, your favorite song playing, when suddenly your car jerks, sputters, and shuts off in the middle of traffic. Terrifying, right? 9 times out of 10, that kind of breakdown points to one hidden culprit: your fuel pump. The scary part? Your car almost always gives you warnings when the fuel pump is failing. But most drivers ignore them until the pump completely dies, leaving you stranded and facing a repair bill that could reach $1,500. That's why today, I'm exposing 13 bad fuel pump symptoms that could kill your car if you don't catch them early. But before we start, let me make a quick personal request. Running this channel takes a lot of time, research, and effort. Every subscription helps me continue paying my college fees while giving you practical car tips that save you money. So, if you'd like to support gear specs and protect your car, please hit that subscribe button. It really makes a difference. First up, engine sputtering at high speeds. At highway speeds, your engine demands consistent fuel pressure. If the pump is weak, you'll feel sudden jerks or sputters, like your car is choking for fuel. Next, trouble starting the car. Normally the pump primes the fuel system instantly, but if it's failing, you'll notice longer cranking times, or sometimes the car won't start at all. So going uphill, towing, or even accelerating quickly, a bad fuel pump just won't keep up, and that leaves you with weak, sluggish performance. A failing pump doesn't always deliver fuel consistently. Sometimes it pushes too much, and that can cause your car to surge forward suddenly, even when you're not pressing harder on the gas. If your car dies while stopped but runs fine at higher RPMs, your pump isn't maintaining enough pressure at idle. When fuel isn't atomized properly, combustion suffers. You'll notice worse mileage and, honestly, higher fuel costs. Healthy pumps hum softly, but if you hear a loud whining or buzzing sound from your fuel tank, it's a big red flag. Hit the gas, and nothing? A weak pump starves the engine of fuel, causing slow or hesitant acceleration. So, engine misfires. Uneven fuel delivery actually causes these, especially when your car is under load. A lot of people, honestly, think it's the spark plugs, but more often than not, it's actually the pump. Now, let's talk about the check engine light, specifically those fuel pressure codes. Modern cars, they're always monitoring fuel rail pressure, and if your pump is starting to fail, you might see codes like P0087, which points to low fuel pressure. Here's one that surprises a lot of drivers: an overheating engine. When your fuel delivery is inconsistent, it can cause lean conditions, and that, in turn, makes your engine overheat. It's something most folks don't expect, but it definitely happens. So if your car starts up just fine when it's cold, but then, really struggles to restart after you've been driving for a bit, that's a big clue. Your fuel pump might be breaking down when it gets hot. If you ignore all those warning signs for too long, well, eventually the pump just gives out completely. And when that happens, your car won't start at all. You're basically stuck needing a tow, and facing a pretty hefty repair bill. Now here's the good news. You can extend your fuel pump's life with a few simple habits. Don't drive on empty. The pump actually uses fuel as a coolant. Constantly running near empty overheats it. Change your fuel filter, because a clogged filter makes the pump work overtime and wears it out way faster. And, use quality fuel. Cheap gas often has debris and water that can really harm your pump. So those are the 13 symptoms your fuel pump is failing, plus a few simple tricks to keep it alive longer. Catching these signs early could save you thousands of dollars and prevent your car from dying when you need it most. And if you learned something new today, please consider subscribing to Gear Specs. Every subscription doesn't just support the channel, it actually helps me continue paying my college fees while giving you practical, money-saving car advice every single week. And if you thought this was helpful, don't miss our video on 10 car repair secrets mechanics never tell you. That one could save you thousands in unnecessary repairs. Click here, and I'll see you